Now we'd like to know which of these data sets have been formatted in long and wide versions. So we can see that this data set appears to have a distinct variable for each column. We have age and fair, P-class, survived. These are distinct columns, and an observation for each of the rows. This is a hallmark of a long format. Our next data set, however, has the values of the sex column as separate columns. We can see here that sex is a variable in itself and it has values of female and male, but these values are actually columns. This is considered as a wide format. So we would consider this as a wide format data set. Our following data set has the same characteristics as the previous data set, in that the embarked column has its values indexed as columns. Again, here we see NaN, C, QS. These are values for the embarked variable. When you can see the values of a variable listed as columns, we understand that this is a wide format. And for our last data set, we see that each of the columns is a unique dimension of the passenger observations. So our passengers are along our rows, these are our observations, and each of these columns, the passenger ID, name, and survived, are variables. So this is a long format data set.